All right, good morning, Tucker. This is your schedule for Wednesday, January 27th. I'm going to go through with you what I have on the schedule for today. For math, Module 3, Lesson 13, Math Notes and Worksheet, you're going to click on that link. It'll take you to a couple of videos for you to watch, and then the worksheet that goes with that is found in your packet that I sent home with Grandma the other day. English Language Arts, Zoom at 9:30 to go over some Wonders pages. Now, I noticed you logged off the Zoom early today. Please make sure you're staying on the Zoom the entire time. Also, you had some really good points and feedback you gave me at the beginning of the Zoom. I really appreciated that. I would love for you to continue providing that to us throughout the entire Zoom. You also need to make sure you finish reading Chapter 8 by this Friday of Island of Blue Dolphins. And if you haven't finished your diagnostic test for IXL Language Arts, please make sure you do that. Recess and lunch, and then for science, you have 2 lessons and quizzes to go over on Canvas. So log on to Canvas here. You have gravity, mass, and weight lesson and quiz, earth and weight lesson and quiz on Canvas. Both of those are going to be graded. Your special today is technology. Click that. It'll take you to your technology. In the afternoon, you need to complete Lesson 13 on Zern by this Friday. And then you have your Grammar Day 2 Virtual Mentor Sentence. You can click on the link. It'll take you to Google Classroom. You have a video to watch, and then you have a, then you also have a worksheet or a Google Doc to work on. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.